Now you open your command prompt after that. Once you have configured Android, you open command prompt and just type Android. Okay, if you get the message Android command is deprecated, that means it is correctly configured. Okay, right. Now the next thing after this, okay, that is you have set the environment variable and all everything, right? Now there's a bat file. If you open your SDK path, right, in your tools you will see traceview.bat file. If you don't see this, then please put it over here, okay, in the download code section of your course. Okay, in your course, after you log in, you will see the download code section. Download the code, look at the module 2 in which I will keep traceview.bat. Okay, please put traceview.bat under your tools folder. At times it's not there. This bat file will help your phone to be detected on PC. Okay, otherwise it doesn't get detected, right? And don't take this lightly that fine, if it's not there then fine, let me move forward. No, your phone will not be detected otherwise in the future steps. Okay, right. Now once you have this traceview.bat, look, as I told you, it's a step-by-step process. It's not something which is tough, but it is a little bit lengthy. Okay, right. So we have installed Android. The next thing is you can download Eclipse from Google. Okay, go to Google and simply say download Eclipse. Everybody must be having Eclipse by now. Okay, if you don't have, you can download and install it from here. Okay, and open up Eclipse. Right, I have it over here on the machine on my PC. I'll open it over here and you create a new workspace. This is the path where you'll store all the code. Okay, Appium recordings 2000. Okay, so I'll call it Appium recordings. Alright, and launch it. So my Eclipse will open up. Inside Eclipse, what you need to do now is you need to install ADT plugin. Okay, right. Now ADT Eclipse ADT plugin. What is this? This will actually enable Android inside Eclipse. Basically it will do that. Okay, Android Development Tools plugin, ADT plugin. Okay, so what you do is that you simply open up Eclipse IDE like I have it in front of me. Okay, and you go to help, install new software in Eclipse. Okay, and inside it you have to give this path https dl.ssl.google Android Eclipse. So this is the path for installing Android as a plugin, you can say, inside Eclipse. Okay, right, so you give this path over here, right, click on developer tools, click on next. It will be installed, and Android will be added as a plugin. You can say ADT plugin will be installed inside Eclipse very simply, right? So once you have done this, right, after that there are many things, right? Okay, you need to go to Windows Preferences. Okay, under you will see the Android option coming up. This will be after the ADT has been installed, and over here please update the software location. The SDK location has to be updated over here. The SDK location which is there inside, you can get it from your Android Studio, and you need to put it over here. You need to tell Eclipse where Android is present on the machine. Okay, apply. Okay, you need to do this. Right, now you need to connect your phone. Okay, you need to connect your phone and you need to connect it as a developer. Okay, so my phone is connected to the PC. I'll use a software known as a power mirror. It will help me to mirror my phone on the PC. Okay, whatever are the contents of my phone, I will be able to see on the PC. This way training you guys will be easy. Okay, so basically the first step is that your phone should be connected to the PC as a developer, and then you can start thinking about Appium. Okay, you cannot just directly think about running Appium. This is that software, it's minimized. Yeah, a power mirror, right? And you can select USB connection instead of Wi-Fi connection. And on my phone, just a minute, just hold on, I need to launch the app on my phone as well. Okay, and okay, all right, it is connecting. Hold on. All right, so I have the app of a power mirror and the software also installed over here. So this is my phone. Okay, right, this is not an emulator, this is my actual device. Okay, now what you need to do is that the first thing which you need to do is you need to make sure that the phone is detected in Eclipse DDMS. Okay, right, now what do you mean by this? If you look at Eclipse and click on this small icon over here, this icon. Okay, you click on this and select the DDMS view. When you select DDMS view, you see that on my PC the phone is being detected. This is my phone. Because ADT is installed, Android as a plugin is installed, the path is given, it is being detected, but in your PC it won't be detected by now. So in order for this phone to be detected over here, okay, to make it detected over here, you need to follow few steps. Okay, first of all, it's not necessary, but since it's the past part of the process, please install Node.js. Node.js will be required for Appium. Okay, so please download and install Node.js. Okay, you can go here and install Node.js for your PC. Okay, for Windows zip installer, I downloaded the 64-bit installer and installed it. Then please install the .NET framework. Okay, so a lot of installations, though this is not necessary for DDMS, but I'm just telling you right now, do it in the beginning only to be safe. Okay, so download the .NET framework from the Microsoft website and install the 4.81, which is the latest one right now. Okay, this is almost 1st of March, 27th February I'm making the video, 2019. Right, now you have to enable the developer mode in your phone. Once you have installed these softwares, it would be good that after installing this and installing Android and all this stuff, just go for a restart. Okay, complete restart. That would make it a little safe, everything would be loaded. Okay, go in for a restart after this. Although it's not required, but 1 or 2 times I had got stuck and it got okay after I restarted. Now look at your phone. Okay, this is my phone, and go inside the settings. Okay, and go to the just search for developer options. Okay, enabling the developer mode in the phone. Okay, so just go to the build tool for this. Sorry, click on about phone, and this is the build number. Okay, and you tap on it for 7 times and your developer mode would be enabled. Okay, right. Now after that you have to enable the debugging mode, USB debugging in phone. So you go back and you type USB debugging. Okay, hold on. You just go and in your settings you can go to search settings and search for USB debugging. So this is USB debugging. You click on this. Okay, and this is the debugging option, switch it on. Okay, and one more thing, click on, also make this thing on, stay awake. Screen will never be sleeping while charging. So when what happens is that when we run the Android scripts, okay, the screen gets locked at times, so we don't want that. So when the phone is connected to the PC with the help of a wire through USB, your screen will not get locked this way. Okay, now once you have the developer options, these two options on, and when you connect to your phone to the PC, it's also good that you connect it for file transfer. You type USB. There is an option which we'll be using later on. Okay, you just type USB over here and you will see the option USB preferences. So whenever your phone is connected to the computer, you just select for file transfer. Okay, right, so you need to do this. Fine, and just a minute. Right, now it's reconnecting this interface. Let it be. Okay, let it be. What I'll do is, I don't need this anymore actually. So you have to enable the USB debugging, developer mode, and phone USB drivers. Right, now phone USB drivers, I told you that you can install if you open Android, you can install in your SDK tools Google USB driver. This is okay for most of the cases. Okay, but for example, I was having OnePlus 7T, so Google USB driver never helped my phone being detected. Okay, over here, if I connect the phone, I'll remove this and I'll just connect it once more. Okay, over here in my PC, just a minute, I'll turn off this software. I need to turn this off. Give me 1 minute. Yes, so I have this, I closed that a power mirror, and now I'm connecting my phone to the PC. It doesn't get detected. Okay, and when I go to USB preferences in settings and enable file transfer, the phone comes up over here. Okay, now in your case, maybe the phone is not coming up over here. That means your USB drivers are not there. Okay, so download the USB drivers from internet for your phone. Different providers have their own drivers, Samsung and all. Google USB drivers, they are good for Samsung. OnePlus 7T, I have OnePlus 7, so over here I got its own USB driver. Okay, when I clicked on this, I had the driver set up exe, so I had installed it from here. I never had to go to the internet. If you don't have it over here and your phone is not detecting, so you just have to download from the internet for your phone. Okay, so first, instead of detecting it in DDMS, the first thing is that you have to detect it over here. Okay, right, now once you have done this, alright, once you have connected it as a normal device, okay, and detected it over here in your as a drive, now you can go to Eclipse, open Eclipse, and surely it should come under DDMS as well. Okay, right, now open up a command prompt, open command prompt. go to the location of your Android SDK. Okay, the Android SDK is present at this location. Alright, hit out enter button and go to platform tools and give the command adb devices. Okay, this command adb devices, I have jotted down over here, will list out all the devices which are connected to the PC right now. Okay, right now this is the device which is connected. This is known as the UDID of the device, something like a unique ID for the device. Okay, you can connect multiple devices and they will come up over here. That means Android is detecting your phone and your phone is in the developer mode. Now Appium comes into play. Now Appium can interact with the phone. It won't interact otherwise. Okay, fine. If sometimes it doesn't happen, you can restart your Android as well. Okay, this command adb kill server stops Android. Okay, you just need to write adb kill hyphen server. This will stop Android and adb start server will start it. Okay, it will take a little while and starting now TCP, so it does that. Daemon started successfully. Okay, fine. Now once this is over, your device being detected in DDMS, make sure you have traceview.bat, otherwise this will not come up. Okay, now once this is done, okay, you need to get the UDID, which I just told you what it is. Okay, it is just the device ID. Okay, now you can start writing your Appium scripts and configuring Appium. Okay, now the thing is, you need to download and install Appium desktop server. These topics are a little jumbled up. I'll correct them. Okay, you need to download and install desktop server. Okay, one more thing, guys. Eclipse warning after ADT plugin. Once you have installed the ADT plugin, in Eclipse will give you a warning. Just ignore that warning. You can click on close. Okay, if that warning comes up, that means ADT plugin is successfully installed. Alright, now how do you extract APK of application? What is APK? I'll just tell you in some time. You need to download and install Appium desktop server. Okay, go to Google and type, go to the official website of Appium, appium.io. So make sure you have Node.js, all that stuff installed. What do you say? .NET framework and all. So you click on download Appium over here and you can download the version 1.151 right now for your Windows. Okay, right, and install it. Once you install it, you will get this Appium icon. Okay, from where you can start up Appium server. This is the Appium server basically. Okay, you can say it's a server, and then after that you need to write code which can launch applications. Okay, right, let me start up the A power mirror. Let me mirror my phone now. Okay, hold on. Right, so what I need to do is I started Appium server as well. Appium server is taking a little while. Hold on. Just a minute. Okay, Meanwhile this ADB connects, sorry, app mirror, app a power mirror connects. I'm trying to start the Appium server. Hold on. So this is my device. Appium server is not starting. Okay, hold on. Look, you have to be a little patient. Sometimes stuff doesn't work. This is the graphical interface for Appium server and an app inspector. Okay, this is Appium server. Okay, and it's open 2-3 times because I opened it many times, right? Okay, now once you have launched this, okay, and you can start the server from here, which we will be doing in some time, right? Now Appium is built on top of Selenium, so you need to download few jar files as well. Okay, so what I'm talking about right now is downloading Selenium and Appium jars. Alright, so you go to the latest version only. Alright, go to the official website of Selenium, selenium.dev, go to download section, and you can download not this one but the stable version 3.141.59 for Selenium. You'll get few jars. Alright, when you extract this download, you will get these jars. Hold on. You will get this jar file, okay, and you will get many jars under lib folder as well. Okay, now after this, once you have downloaded these jars, you need to download the Appium jar as well, which is this one, Java Client 7.3, which I have. So just go to Google and go to appium.io, right, not Google, appium.io. Just go here and go to the download section, which is over here, right? Now Appium is available in different languages. We are learning it with Java. You click on Java, and then under Java you hold on, you get this latest version 7.3. you can download it from here. Okay, download the jar file. Okay, now once you have downloaded the jar file, this jar file and the other Selenium jar files, you need to include them in Eclipse, right? So in Eclipse, go to File, New, you can say Project, and simply create a new Java project, and I'll call it Module 2 for Appium, right? Click on Next and finish, right? Open the perspective, and this module 2 will come. This is JRE A 1.8, JDK 1.8. Make sure you get JDK 1.8 only. Now go to the module, right click on it, and go to the properties. Fine, and you will see the Java build path option. Go here and import everything. Import the external jars, which are the POI API, sorry, not the POI API, sorry, the Appium jar file, which is this one, and also the Selenium 1.3141.59, the main jar file, this one, not the sources jar file. Sources jar file holds the source code of Selenium. Okay, so bring this, and also all the jars under the libs folder, don't forget them. Okay, also import these jars. So click on OK, and under reference libraries you will have these jar files. Okay, sometimes they also come up directly, that is fine. Alright, now we have to write the code which will launch certain application on my phone. Okay, I have this Make My Trip application. this one, I'm going to launch this app. Make My Trip app is something which it's a travel app. Okay, it in India it helps you to travel, to book tickets, to book hotels and all. Right. Now, before I launch this app, I will have to have the APK of this app. I'll need to have the APK. APK means you can say it's like an exe. Like an exe, not exactly, to make you understand. I'm telling you, every app has an APK. For example, I've already extracted it. This is the APK file for Make My Trip. Appium will need this file. Okay, to use it or to extract APK, I have this small application known as Apk Extractor. Okay, you go to your Play Store, just type Play Store. This is my Play Store, and in the Play Store search for Apk Extractor, this one. Okay, and you will get a lot of applications. You can install this one, Apk Extractor. It's already there on my machine, right? And this is the Apk Extractor app. You will get list of all the APKs which you have on your machine, all the applications rather which you have on your machine. Okay, for example, one of the applications is Book My Show. All right, I'll just click on it. So at the bottom you will get a message, extracted to, extracted apps and all that stuff. Okay, so it basically extracts the APK. Now your phone is connected to the PC. Okay, your phone is connected to the PC, right? And not like it's connected for file transfer, right? This is my phone HD1901, and if I open it, I will get a folder known as extracted APKs. This is created by that particular application, and over here I will see the Book My Show APK. This is the Make My Trip APK. There are different APKs which I have extracted, right? So you can also find the APK over here. Okay, so the APK is required for the functioning of Selenium, right? Now the next thing is launching the Android application using Appium code. That requires few understanding of few things. Okay, and then we will launch the Android application. So let's start building the code now to launch Make My Trip on Android device connected to the phone. Now in some time I'm also going to launch it on emulator. Okay,